Welcome to this SkillPad video resource where we make learning simple. In this video, we are going to explore further skills in spreadsheets. Nobody wants to be that person stuck on basic math. This is why you need to master advanced features in spreadsheets. Today, I'll help you upgrade from Spreadsheet Rookie to Data Whiz. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, imagine your spreadsheet is like a pizza. Each cell is a slice, but the real flavor comes from the toppings. That is, the advanced tools. First up, ranges. Selecting a range is like grabbing several slices at once, super handy for big calculations. To select a range, click on the cell where your range starts, and then hold the left mouse button and drag until you reach the cell where your range stops, the formula bar. Think of it as your command center, where you type, edit, and launch your formulas. Autofill is your secret weapon for copying patterns. Just fill out the first two cells with values or formulas and then drag the fill handle and watch Excel. Guess what you want next, like a mind reader with a caffeine buzz. Sorting and filtering? They're like Marie Kondo for your data, organizing and showing only what sparks joy. And charts? They turn boring numbers into colorful stories. Try a pie chart to visualize who ate the most pizza slices. Finally, freeze panes so your headers stay put, and what-if analysis lets you play with your data to examine what happens if a different scenario unfolds. With these tools, you won't just survive spreadsheets, you'll excel at them. Let's take your spreadsheet skills up another notch by exploring some of Excel's most powerful features and how they can transform the way you work with data. First, meet pivot tables. Imagine you have survey results from hundreds of students. Instead of scrolling endlessly, a pivot table lets you summarize the data in seconds, showing, for example, how many students prefer online classes versus in-person. It's like having a personal data assistant. But be careful, if your data isn't clean or well organized, pivot tables can give confusing results. Next up, conditional formatting. This tool highlights key trends automatically. For example, you can make low grades turn red and high grades turn green in your mark sheet. It's a visual shortcut to spot what matters fast. The downside? Too many rules can make your sheet look like a rainbow, so use it wisely. Now, let's talk data validation. This feature helps prevent errors before they happen. Setting up a drop-down list for course name ensures everyone enters the same info. No more typos like Intro to IT versus Introduction to IT. It keeps your data tidy and reliable. Macros are your time savers. Ever repeat a series of steps, like formatting tables or importing data? Record a macro once, and Excel will do it for you automatically next time. But beware, macros can get complicated, and if they're not set up carefully, they might make mistakes at lightning speed. Finally, advanced charting. Beyond basic bar and pie charts, you can use combo charts, sparklines, or even interactive dashboards. Imagine showing class attendance trends over time with a line chart, while using bars on the same graph to compare assignment scores. Just remember, the more complex the chart, the more important it is to keep your message clear. With these advanced tools, you can analyze larger datasets, spot trends quickly, and automate boring tasks, making you not just faster, but smarter with your data. Now that you know what these advanced features can do, let's see exactly how to use them, and how they can make your projects stand out. Start with pivot tables. Say you're analyzing survey results for a class project. Select your data, go to the Insert tab, and choose Pivot Table. In the dialog, pick where you want your summary to appear. Drag Region into the Rows area, Quantity into Values, Sum of Revenue into Values, and Year into Filters. Instantly, you'll see a breakdown of preferences. No formulas needed. Tip: always double-check that your source data has clear headers and no empty rows for best results. For conditional formatting, highlight your grade column, click Home, then Conditional Formatting. Choose color scales to show low scores in red and high scores in green, or set custom rules, like highlighting any grade below 50%. This helps you spot trends or outliers at a glance. Pro tip: use Manage Rules to keep formatting simple and avoid clutter. Data validation is your go-to for keeping entries consistent. Select a column, click Data, then Data Validation. Set a drop-down list with allowed course names. Now anyone entering data will see your list, and typos become a thing of the past. To build advanced charts, select your data and try a combo chart to compare multiple trends, like attendance and scores. Add sparklines to individual rows for mini trends, or build a dashboard using slicers for interactive filtering. Always label your axes and keep your charts clean for maximum impact. Finally, automate repetitive tasks with macros. Go to View, then Record macro, and perform your steps, like applying formatting or importing data. Stop recording and assign your macro to a button for one-click magic. Just be sure to test your macro on sample data first to avoid accidental errors. By using these tools together, you can transform raw numbers into clear insights, streamline your workflow, and impress your teachers with professional-grade presentations. Practice these features on your own datasets, and soon, you'll be an Excel power user, ready for any spreadsheet challenge. Thank you for using this SkillPad video resource. We hope it was insightful. Come with us as we journey through the world of technology for your learning pleasure. We hope to see you again soon.